Hello everyone and welcome to this video, which is actually my first video uploaded on YouTube ever. And I'm going to kick off things in a grand way by opening this mystery box of Chinese and Japanese antiques. So I got this box in an online auction for $70 but I only had one picture to go by, so I really don't know what's inside of this box. So without further ado, let's dig straight in and see if I made a very bad business decision or if I found some treasure. Anyhow, let's begin. So I'm going to cut off the tape. Actually, I will probably do that off camera because doing it with one hand can be a bit bothersome. So see you when it's open. I have now removed the plastic from the box using my trusty Finnish puukko knife that I got in a thrift shop a while ago, and we're going to see what's inside of this mystery package. Let's go. Okay, it seems to be fairly well packaged. Oh, I can see some. All right, here's the first item in the lot. Let's see, it's actually a pretty nice 19th century late Qing Chinese bowl, and it's in fairly good condition actually. Wow, it doesn't have any chips on the upper rim, although the base seems to be a bit chipped, but what can you do? It's $70 for the whole thing, so not too bad. So let's find something else. Okay, I think I know what it is. Yeah, right. So this is, I think it looks kind of modern. Yeah, it's a rubber stamped mark. Let's see in the decoration, it looks pretty hand painted. But I will say this is probably mid 20th century. Not older, not like late Qing or anything. Right, but that's decent, that's okay. Let's see. Right, another one of this bowl. So we have a pair. Right, okay. A pair, when it comes to Chinese porcelain, a pair is always more valuable than a single. One other nice 19th century bowl. It seems to be slightly cracked, I think. No, actually that might just be dirt. So yeah, another bowl with a iron red seal mark. Let's see, yeah, this is the right position. So yeah, fairly good. Some good things so far. Let's continue. Ooh, this is kind of exciting. Right, and here we go. Ooh. Yeah, I saw this on the pictures, and this is kind of why I got the lot in the first place. It's a dish in the Kangxi style. So Kangxi was a Chinese emperor who ruled in the beginning of the 18th century. And this is really in the style of that era. But if it's actually Kangxi, I really can't tell you because I'm not that skilled yet. I'm only 19. But we'll have these checked out later. And if I remember correctly, there is going to be like a whole array of them. So let's put them right here. Here we got our things so far. What's this? Right. This appears to be some sort of large dish. But let's get all of the small things first. Right, another little small dish. So this would be, I don't know, like maybe Republic period or something. Not the highest quality porcelain I ever seen, but yeah. Ooh. What's this then? This doesn't look very Chinese, I have to say. Yeah, it's some kind of shield down there, so this is probably, I don't know, German or Central European. An old grandma. Yeah, okay. I'll check this out later and see if it's anything worthwhile. Right, so here we got the dish then. Okay, I can tell you what this is straight away. This is rose medallion dish. And it appears to actually be from the, let's see here. Yeah, this is an old one. They did reproduce these later, but in my opinion this is an original one from the late 19th century. It was a very popular pattern for European buyers at the time. So a lot of you who was watching probably have like a vase or a plate decorated in this style at home. Let's put it right there. Okay, we still have plenty of things here. Okay, right, this is, yeah, this is nothing. This is a rice grain pattern. Nothing really valuable. Yeah, it's modern, I think. Ooh, let's see. Right, here we got something a bit bigger. Right, okay. This looks modern to me, but I guess it's pretty decorative. I like the glaze and how it kind of pools there in the edges. Oh well, not bad, not bad. Oh, here we got something old, I think. Yes, this is old. I think this might be a some kind of incense burner, but I don't think this is Chinese or perhaps even Asian at all. This looks very much like Delft or something, Delftware from England or the Netherlands. But this is old. This is could be 18th century or something. So pretty good. So far, I think I made my money back. I think. Yeah, I think I could make my money back on this bowl alone. I'm not sure though. Let's continue. We've got plenty of stuff left. Very well packaged, I have to say. Okay, here we got something substantial. Yeah, okay, yeah, I remember seeing this actually. This is a this is not Chinese, but this is Japanese. This is what they call a trumpet vase, and it's got a kind of cool old copper insert who someone has glued inside. But this is very repaired. You can see up here. So I don't know. Yeah, it's still pretty cool nonetheless. I think this is perhaps the oldest piece here. This might be like early Edo period, so late 17th or 18th century. Let's put it right here. That might have been it, I think. No, some stuff left. Okay. Oops. Okay, so yeah, this is another 19th century plate. You see, it's very similar to that bowl I showed before. Let's see if we can find the bowl. You know, this one. But this one is way higher quality than this one if you compare that with this. This is a bit crudely drawn. Ooh, let's see, what else do we have? Okay. Right, this looks Japanese, I can tell. Okay. Let's look at this. It could be modern, I don't know. Or it's like Meiji period. it's not awfully old. A Meiji period, if you don't know, that would be the second half of the 19th century, all the way up to 1912. So we still got more stuff down here. Yeah, here's more of these possibly Kangxi plates. This one has a bit of a ship up in the corner. Right here, got another one. We got another one of these Japanese bowls. Let's get that out here. Let's put it on the other one. Okay. And here we have the final piece, the final of these maybe Kangxi dishes. Right, okay. So let me get this all a bit cleaned up, and then we can do a roundup of what we found. So here are all the things that I found in the mystery box. These are the things that I'm going to keep, and these are the things that I'm going to donate to a local charity shop. Because all of this stuff is basically modern, including these bowls. I thought they were Meiji period at first, but at closer inspection I noticed that the decoration is actually partially printed. And that means that they are very modern, not really to my taste. But all of this stuff over here, I think a total of 16 pieces, are, you know, okay for the price and something that I can sell. So we have this large Japanese trumpet vase in the Imare pattern, with this really cool old copper insert that someone probably added to the vase after it was repaired, so they could continue using it for flowers and stuff. And we also have these, the possibly Kangxi dishes, that I also think are pretty cool and neat. And we have this, which is probably my favorite piece, the fairly high quality 19th century bowl. It's very small but nice. And we have this, that's the same pattern but lower quality, if you can see it if you look carefully. Yeah, there we go. Right, and I think that's about it for me. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, maybe even share it. And please post in the comment section what piece you like the most. I know I have a favorite, it's this one, but if you have another opinion, feel free to share it. And that's all for me, thank you very much, bye.